I'm with Justin from Waves and Wheels and also Blue Wave.
Yep.
All right.
Yeah.
And he's done a ton of work on my vehicles, boats, things like that.
All the toys, yeah.
But this guy, I don't know what they exactly don't do or do, but
Sure.
it seems like I'm working with an engineering firm when I talk to you guys.
Yeah, well, we like to hear that. So we definitely have some different facets of the company, and we do everything from we really specialize in marine, and it's branched off into the UTV and off-road world as well. Everything from electronics, we develop product, we have a paint facility, custom paint facility, interior, and then custom fabrication.
Let's show them what you've done to the truck first.
Right on.
Okay. What's so special about your speakers that you put in?
So the Blue Wave product, and that's a product that we have developed initially for the marine industry, and again we've used them in off-road and in select vehicles too. The sound quality is just incredible of the product. It's very robust and a very durable product. It's designed to hold up in some of the most harshest saltwater environments, and then on top of that, just the quality of the speaker.
But it's a carbon fiber. When he's zooming in, you can see the carbon.
Yeah, it's a carbon fiber ply cone, and then we have it's an ABS and fiberglass basket as well. We even use an upgraded magnet, and a lot of our products we actually all build in-house. About 60% of our products we actually build here in Lincoln Ozarks. So,
okay.
And we try to do as much as we can here, and the product's growing. It's really building a great name in the industry. And one thing I always tell everybody, if you get an opportunity to listen to a set of Blue Waves, is listen to a song you've heard 100 times. Listen to it on any brand of speaker. Listen to it for some fine-tuned instruments, and then listen to it on the Blue Wave, and you're going to hear responses to instruments and sound that you can't reproduce on other speakers, and that's one of our biggest selling points, is just the sound quality,
the clarity. I never thought I had hearing like I did, but once I've heard these speakers and I listen to something else, I can tell a huge difference.
Yeah.
And in this stereo in here, you know, you can't hear it over the recording, but you can. It stays clear and it will vibrate the hairs on your head.
Yeah.
Now we're taking it back to their place to finish the dash.
Yep.
What are we doing this in?
I think we're going to do a suede and vinyl mix with custom stitching. Yeah.
Some Alcantara.
Alcantara.
Alcantara that you use in the Audi.
Yep.
We're going to be doing the Alcantara.
And stitching. Yep.
But you can see some of the stitching on the door right now. And we did that last year, and now we're just going to finish it up. You know, I don't want to drive this when it's nasty and salty out. So that's why I keep coming back to you to see what you can or can't do.
Yeah, we'll just keep going. So on the front doors, we made a custom modification for the factory speaker and put on our M7.0 CX. We did the same in the rear door, as well as built a stealth enclosure with 2 of our M10 subwoofers underneath the back seat. And then we backed that up with our 4-channel, our 800.4, and our 1000.1. And then Brad let me talk him into adding a little something extra to the truck. So when
for
they're
tailgate?
For a little tailgate action. It's real simple, but it worked out really good. So this is our T71, which is designed for marine and UTV applications, and it's ran on the rear channel of the amplifier, so you can drop the tailgate, get plenty of bass and mids coming up from the front, and then you got the T71s firing out the back, so it really makes for an awesome sound.
So Justin, that leads us right into the UTV.
Absolutely.
Does it not?
Yeah. So we actually did the same T71s on the Deviant custom cage. And this works out. This is our clamp, and this all comes with the kit, and they're loaded with our 7.0. And again, the sound quality, these are incredible, and there's more than enough volume if you're hammering down.
And I want to do a shout out to Deviant Race Parts, because Deviant Race Parts builds a lot of these things that we're going to be going over in the next video. But I want to say thank you to Deviant Race Parts. The things that's on here, we're going to go over that in another video, like I said. But you can see how they did a lot of the mechanical work and things like that. So go ahead.
Yeah, when we had it in our shop, we were definitely drilling over all the accessories. We have a couple of our guys have razors, and they put they put a long Christmas list on each other of stuff they're gonna go get.
So they know we get it, right?
Oh yeah,
you get it
absolutely.
From Deviant Race Parts.
Yeah, absolutely. So we did the T71s in the back, And then we also did the factory speakers and made a little modification, put the M7.0s in the front. So it's got 4 of our 7s just in the cab. And you know, if you're familiar with our speakers with the right amount of power, that's an incredible amount of sound. And then we hid our M10 up underneath the passenger side as well. So it's got a single 10, 4 7s, 4 tweets, and it's just an incredible sound.
My simple instructions to these guys were, as I was wanting to be able to listen to stereo while we was hot riding it, while we was getting down and putting the hammer down, and because the stock stereo just wasn't cutting it when you were putting the hammer down. And
there's a difference now for sure. We had it at a shop, and you could hear it. I mean, just jamming 100 yards away.
Okay.
Yeah, it's definitely. We'll get her fired up here and let's check it out.
I'm looking forward to it because you just delivered it.
Yeah.
And then with the isinglass.
Yep. Yeah. Our guys, our upholstery team, made a one-off isinglass kit for it, and which is gonna be really great when you're out running, especially in this weather right now. So
thinking about taking my grandkids to school in it just to have some fun.
yeah, I'm sure they'll love it. Now that I have the tunes and the warmth.
Now we're off to the R8.
The R8. Yeah, this was an incredible project too.
Well, I'm gonna just butt in just for a second. Before I bought the R8, I mean it's a supercar, everyday supercar, but the only ride up against it was a stereo system.
Yeah.
So that's where Justin came in and addressed that issue.
Yeah, and this was definitely a detailed project. The guys took a lot of time, but it actually had a 13 speaker factory system, which sounds incredible, but you don't always need a ton of drivers and speakers and subs to make great sound. So we actually replaced the 13 speaker system with a 5 speaker system, and there's a day and night difference as far as sound quality and volume. So we actually put our 9.0, which is the step up from what the size wise anyways that the truck and the side by side has.
Okay.
So this has the 9-inch plus our tweeter, which is that called our EM line. So it's our highest end component that we have. It's a 9-inch coaxial with a 2-inch tweeter, and then we did a single sub in the back on one amplifier. It's not like it has multiple amplifiers. And
There's one to watch weight.
Yeah, weight. It's light and it's loud, and the clarity is just incredible. And the cool thing is everything looks stock. You can't even tell that there is a
Except for one piece.
Yeah, except for one little piece
in between the seats. But tell us how to get hold of you.
Yeah, so if you go to our website, it's wavesandwheels.com, all spelled out, and you can actually check out all our different divisions, from the Blue Wave Marine Audio line to Waves and Wheels, custom upholstery and fabrication, and you can check out all our projects, our products, and follow us on Instagram or Facebook at Waves and Wheels Audio or Blue Wave Audio.
Here's what you like about them. They do what they say they're going to do.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay? And usually when you're around the water, and you're in tourist areas, they have a different lake attitude, beach attitude, Yaman attitude.
Yeah, very laid back. Yeah.
They actually do what they say they're going to do. So that's why I put my name behind them.
We appreciate it.
All right.
We really do.